Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. Today, I'll be walking you through a really useful QuickBooks tip, how to merge duplicate customers. If you've ever ended up with multiple profiles for the same customer, you know it can clutter up your records and make reporting messy. The good news is QuickBooks has a simple way to merge those duplicates and keep everything clean and accurate. Let's dive in. When merging customers in QuickBooks, the key step is making sure both profiles have the exact same display name. QuickBooks uses this as the trigger to combine them. Let's start with QuickBooks Online. First, open the customer profile you want to keep, the one that has the correct or most complete information. Copy the text from the display name field exactly as it appears. Next, open the duplicate customer profile, the one you don't want to keep. In the display name field of that duplicate, paste the name you copied earlier. Now click Save. QuickBooks will prompt you asking if you'd like to merge the two profiles. Select Yes, and QuickBooks will do the rest. After merging, the duplicate customer is marked as inactive and all of their transaction history automatically moves over to the profile you decided to keep. This way, you don't lose any important data. Now, if you're using QuickBooks Desktop, the process is very similar. Open the customer profile you want to keep and copy the customer's display name. Then open the duplicate profile. In the name field, paste the display name you copied. Click Save, and when QuickBooks asks if you want to merge the two customers, choose Yes. In Desktop, the duplicate customer is archived, and all of their transactions are transferred to the kept profile. Again, the end result is a single, clean customer record with all history intact. A quick tip here, make sure the names match perfectly, including spaces, punctuation, and capitalization. If there's even a small difference, QuickBooks won't recognize it as a match and won't merge the profiles. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can tidy up your customer list and ensure your books stay organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.